Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick practice in anatomy of the hand as we draw outstretched fingers on a surface, so something like that. So to begin, it's an easy exercise and we will go about this very quickly. So I need an oval, line, 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 another line, and another line right there. So now we're going to flesh out the hand. That is the wrist going into the forearm, the butt of the hand right there. So the first, and you please use very light strokes so we don't have to necessarily use solid strokes like throughout, so that any issues in terms of errors can be dealt with as we are moving along. And as you see that I'm just going along those lines, roughly and very lightly putting out so thumb is not visible in this angle. Now I could always draw a thumb on the side here and show it like resting against the finger right there somewhere, but it's not essential. So realistically it would not be, if you're resting the hand down, it would not be as apparent. So we take care of the anatomy in the sense that wherever there is a little raised portion in the fingers, so right around there, and we have those famous skin folds, those beautiful skin folds. Those are our nails right there. And if you want to go about the same route with the thumb, if you want to include it, it's right there, but in that case you have to make this part more fleshy, a little bit rounded off. And there we have it, a quickly done hand resting on a surface. So it's just like, you would be doing finger push-ups or something like that. In that case the thumb would be stuck behind, it wouldn't show. So every hand though has its own uniqueness to it. The thickness, the sturdiness, or the grace of it is all in the anatomy, and that is highlighted if we put in what I am doing right now, some shading, some inks if you will, some crosshatch to highlight the features a little better. In this case, let's imagine that the light source is there, so we have some minimal shading right there. Of course, if the surface was somewhere here, there would be, according to the light source, and if it's light coming down, it should be casting a shadow right along the fingertips and then merging into some more shadow in the background cast by the butt of the hand. And it would do well that if you separate the two shadows in terms of intensity, more intense toward the fingertips because the fingertips are resting somewhat on the floor or on the surface, and that rest of the hand is raised up. And I'm putting in some extra shading right there just to highlight the knuckles. So depending on the medium, the anatomy changes and how you reflect it. So that is the quick exercise in putting down a hand resting on a surface with outstretched fingers like that. Thank you very much for being with us. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. We'll be putting out more videos. Have yourself a wonderful day.